We have well-equipped heat transfer and thermal engineering laboratories, which are basically academic laboratories for mechanical engineering department. We are mentoring students how to implement the theory which they have been taught in the class to the application, which is very essential in the real world. So these laboratories are well equipped with such kind of infrastructure so that they can do a lot of projects and they can come up with solutions which can be sustainable and which can be energy conserving. So I am very proud to be a part of this Amrita family, and I hope that all the students will get well equipped knowledge from this curriculum.